How to enable notification reminders on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to get repeat alerts for notifications you haven't checked yet. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Notifications from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Advanced Settings to see more options. At this point, tap on Notification Reminders to open its settings. In the next step, turn on the toggle next to Notification Reminders to enable it. Following this, tap on Select Apps to choose which apps you want repeat reminders for. Once done, tap on the toggle next to each app you want included. From here, go back and set your preferred reminder interval, such as every few minutes. At this stage, close settings once your apps and timing are set. Keep in mind, reminders only repeat for notifications you haven't opened yet, so checking them will stop the repeat alert. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to add or remove apps from the reminder list. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable notification reminders on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.